Hello, I'm Captain Bridge.
And I'm Captain Iris, and we are pilots with easyJet. If you look at the sky, it all looks the same. So how do pilots know where they're going?
There are lots of ways we prepare for a flight to ensure we get to our destination, including electronic flight plans,
Speaking to air traffic controllers, sat-nav, and even sometimes using landmarks on the ground that we can see from the air.
We have a flight plan sent to our tablet, which we load into the aircraft's computer, and it tells the plane where to go.
The sky has actual routes that planes follow, like motorways on a map.
This computer also creates waypoints on our radar.
These are virtual signposts in the sky to guide the aircraft in the right direction.
On the ground, air traffic control monitors all of the airplanes in the sky.
We speak to them in a special code to tell them where we are.
We have a unique call sign. For us, it starts easy for easyJet, followed by 2 numbers and 2 letters.
How do we remember easy? Well, it's easy, isn't it? Now it's your turn. Draw a map of your local area. Put in all the important details to help people find their way around.